Shilpa Shetty Kundra turns 47 today and yet she looks her fittest best. She's one of the most fittest actors of the industry and has always inspired her fans and followers towards fitness. Be it her yoga routine, her diet tips or her dance routines, she has always made all her fans go gaga over her fitness. Well, if you are someone who's wondering how to get a body like Shilpa Shetty and how can you be so fit, then this video is for you.
To look at Shilpa Shetty and not talk about fitness is just not possible. Getting a body like her is not easy. It involves loads of discipline and strict training. Consistency is the key. Shilpa's secret weapon is yoga. She once revealed how she turns to yoga to stay positive and balanced in her life. Yoga can help reduce your stress and anxiety levels and help one stay calm. She practices it almost every day, and not just that, she even tries to mix it up a little with cardio and dance moves. The main reason behind a fit physique is her consistency. She never fails to work out, be it a missed shoot or any other work or vacation, or even if she's traveling. She makes sure to not use it as an excuse and work out by making the most of the things available at hand. Be it a moving bus or a vanity van, she makes sure to never miss out on her routines. In terms of diet, Shilpa leads a very healthy lifestyle and opts for simple homemade food with loads of nutrients. She loves organic food and has always motivated her fans and followers to go organic. She plants many of her veggies and fruits herself. Having said that, she also makes the most of her cheat days and Sunday binge. But on other days, she religiously follows a healthy diet. Shilpa works really hard, be it taking care of her diet or her workout. Leading a healthy lifestyle is the choice that you need to work on and make it regular. You will surely notice a difference. On the work front, Shilpa will soon be seen in the upcoming movie Nikamma along with Abhimanyu and Shirley Setia. And she looks her fittest self in the trailer as well.
Well, I hope this helps and she inspires you enough to head towards your fitness journey. Stay healthy, stay fit.